3/4 riding. Three-quarters riding, just mountain bike. So, just a little bit surprised that it dropped the battery bar coming back, because really, I was probably only like 7 miles and it dropped the battery bar, or 6 miles. So, a little bit strange to me. Still learning. Like I said, it's not a super accurate mileage thing, just because I had the incident with the battery. Who knows, I might have damaged the battery. Took a pretty good tumble. Might have been going 15, 20 and it came off and went end over end in those rocks. So don't think that'd probably be very good for a lithium battery. Guess it's got to speak something for it. Lots of rocks. You know, suspension is, it's there, but it's a little bit rough, guys. Woo! So I put it on 3 and it whipped around that. 3's where it gets awesome, bro. Put it back down to 2. 3, 4, and 5, this thing takes off. Kicks butt. So this is the mellow part of this ride. The mellow part. This is the ride for, whoops. This is the ride for seniors with a brand new e-mountain bike. Okay, so here's the deal. 7, 8, 9. So I've done 12 miles this morning, and that wasn't all on battery power. Here is the actual beginning of El Dorado Canyon. Alright. And I'm in too high of a gear here. Didn't shift it down. Bozo. So I put it in number 3. Got 4 bars. I lost a bar. a little discouraged about that. I've done 12 total miles this morning, but not on battery power. This says I've done 7 miles on battery power, maybe 8 miles, and I lost 1 bar. So, this is what El Dorado looks like. I'm about to get muddy and wet. So I've got it on mode 3 because I will have to use throttle a lot. I gotta get this. I should have downshifted. I was dumb. Let's see here. It shifts pretty good, but yeah. So guys, this is what she looks like, and like I said, you know, I'm gonna have to use a lot of throttle here. Yeah, bro. Might have to lower my seat too. Let's see here. Yeah, just to be on the safe side, get my butt down to the ground so I can okay. Okay guys, so gonna try to use pedal assist as much as I can. I'm just learning and practicing here. So over those rocky sections, pedal assist ain't gonna happen, no. It's gonna be throttle. Let's hope 4 bars hang on for a while. You know, pedal assist too, guys. Well, okay. Okay, that front wheel drive, twerking away. Got my seat kind of low here, so better make sure I'm recording too and my camera's not off. Just talking into dead space. Looks like it's recording. Oh. Oh my God. Now, so there's a pause between pedal assist and throttle. So, well, guys, right? Okay, 4 bars still. I would think 10 miles. Well, maybe not. I guess I'm doing good. Okay, so I'm just kind of using a little bit of throttle in here. You can't really pedal. I mean, I guess I could, but I'm on pedal assist too, so the throttle assist isn't much. Trying to keep my feet dry too. Isn't this awesome, guys? So El Dorado Canyon on a mountain bike. Let's see, come on, throttle. So you heard that front wheel drive pulling that mountain bike up. Pretty awesome, guys. So you urban guys, what do you think of this urban riding? Okay, let's see if I can get up there. That was a little sloppy, but I did it. Pedal assist too actually isn't too bad in here. I thought it was going to be more like pedal assist 3. Woo! Yeah, I'm going to have lots of cleaning after this. Okay, I was trying to do pedal assist. I was more throttle than anything. I don't like my seat this low, but for safety here, I better run it that low so I can get my feet on the ground. So probably most of the time through here it's going to be pedal assist 2, which is, to me, better than I expected. Up here we go. This is where everything's going to get wet, probably my feet too. Muddy, wet. Hopefully there's no rocks to take me out. Okay, Lord, get me through this. Ooh. Yeah, soaking wet. Soaking feet. My feet are soaking wet. That was all throttle, guys. Okay, pedal assist. It's gonna take me half a day to clean this when I get it home. Won't be able to spray it off. I'll have to just run some water over it with the rag. Brake's got a little bit of fade. Soaking wet feet, guys. You know, and I'm not pedaling in here. This is all throttle. Low throttle. Well, you know, it doesn't like to hold this line. You know, it's even at 75 pounds, that's kind of light. Lots of water, guys. Lots of water. So guys, if you're considering e-bikes, I would tell you to look at this one. For real. You know, I think I made the right choice. Should have put my fingers on. Oh, somebody's back here. Wow. Awesome. You know, rear-wheel drive with pedal assist, and two-wheel drive with throttle. You can't beat that. Hey, those aren't horse droppings. I don't think. Hopefully they're not bear droppings. I think bear droppings are smaller. Okay, still 4 bars. I'm liking that. So pretty impressive. Yes, I'm impressed, guys. So through here, mostly pedal assist too is probably going to do it, except for maybe a couple spots where I'll need more throttle. Maybe. I know there is one steep downhill section, which means it'll be a steep uphill section. Might have to get off and push it. Guys, come on. Let's just kick butt. That's what I wanted this thing for. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I getting a workout? Whew. Says 8.3, which would be at least 9.3. Still 4 battery bars. Pedal assist 2 most of the time. With probably, you know, more than what I'm doing with half throttle. Yeah. Suspension's pretty rough, but it's a bicycle, guys. Okay. Okay, you urban riders, let's see you get out and do this kind of stuff. I don't know. That's a good line there. That's a line. I don't know if it's good. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'll like cleaning this. That's for damn sure. It's gonna be muddy. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's what I got it for. Oh my goodness. Dude, I hardly have to give it any throttle too to get through these rocky sections because of the front wheel drive. I mean, it's putting power to 2 motors, so that's twice as much as I'd be putting to 1 motor. But I still think it's less than what I would be trying to put to 1 motor because I got 2 motors pulling. Okay. So, nope. Okay, I think there's an uphill up here. I don't know if I'll make the uphill without throttle assist. Yeah.